got a new coffee maker, Black & Decker, Walmart, $19, 12 cups, and it is programmable. One thing I like about it, the clock is bright, works pretty easy. Not a lot of whistles on it, but it does make coffee. I heard some people complaining that it doesn't get hot enough, and seems to me it brews pretty good. Fairly easy to use. You pour the coffee or the water in there, put your grinds in here, and you just mash on and off. If you want it to come on at a certain time, you program the time and mash auto, and it comes on. It'll shut off in a couple of hours. Like I say, one thing that people were saying, it didn't get hot enough, so we're going to fire it up in a minute and see how hot it gets. One thing I noticed is the carafe on the lip. It pours out pretty well. It doesn't drip down the side. It all comes out. A lot of times you get those that want to pour water all down the side and drip out, but this one seems to work pretty good. Just place your thing up under there, and now we're going to put some coffee in it and let it run. On this particular one, you just shut the lid after you poured your water in. Put your fresh grinds there. Make sure that's snapped on. And on this, all you have to do is hit on. And you have a light over here that indicates that you are brewing, or that it has turned on. It's got the hour and the minutes, and when that light is on its PM, you can hear it's already started. We'll come back and check the temperature in just a second. Okay, if we can do this real quick while it's brewing, we're going to check the temperature, saying 77. But I found that it makes it pretty hot, about 180. Some of them say it's better to run at 190 or at least 200, but seems like to me it makes a pretty strong cup of coffee. We'll check it in just a second. Alright, it's made its pot. I just like a little bit on Sunday afternoon. Made me about 7 cups there. Still brewing, but see, it also has a shut-off thing. And like I say, the carafe doesn't drip, doesn't run down the side. We're going to see. $162. $162 was the temperature that it came out as. This is the Black & Decker. I spilled a little coffee on it. CM1060. Bought it at Wally World for $19. Seems like it works pretty good.